Hello all, welcome back. This is ET120, Engineering Problem Solving. Since there was only 4 of you in class this morning, I decided to do a quick little recording on the project. Because I do want you to succeed, but it's going to help if you come to class to succeed. So maybe step up a little bit and complete. You only have a few weeks left. All right, the project is a Christmas box container. So we're gonna put a little bit of our education to work in this class. You have done some engineering problem solving strategies, graphics, and Excel and Word, and a couple of other things. So we're gonna put that to work. So let's go through it so you understand it. It cannot be, this is a cardboard box that is going to hold 2 pounds. So the 2 pounds, let me grab it. Looks like this, but I gotta get this going real quick. All right, looks like this. It is basically fishing weights. It's about this big, right? And it's gonna go in your box, and then your box is gonna get turned in any position, and the lid has to stay closed. So you can not glue the box together. You can glue one seam of the box. So the example that I showed in class looks something like this. And the seam that was the glued seam right there, right? And then this folds over, this is the lid, right? So this is a box that is made out of one piece of cardboard. Yours does not have to be, it can be multiple pieces. It has to stay together. So yours cannot be rectangular or square, but it can be something similar to this, like maybe with a corner chopped off, or somehow triangular, a little different shape, okay? But the nice thing about doing a box like this is it opens up into a flat pattern, right? This is the part that you're gonna draw up, is the flat pattern. Again, your lid can be integrated or not, completely up to you. This one, actually, this weight, we think it would have fit. Like, this box is actually big enough. So it's a good size, because once you get your drawing done, you can do your drawing on B-size paper, and this actually fits. I know you can't see it all, but this fits on B-size paper, right? So if you do your drawing on B-size, you could then use that drawing as a cut pattern, right? You can either copy it or trace it, a number of ideas there. So we also talked about just box design. The drawings that you have to create are going to be a cover assembly sketch in isometric view. So I did talk about isometric view. That's this thing. This is the isometric axis. And your sketch does not have to be much more complicated than just a pencil sketch, right? So if you change the angles of the isometric, you can see different surfaces better. So like if you flatten it out, so that's much flatter, just keep everything vertical, right? And keep everything parallel. And you see more of the top. So if you flatten this axis out, you see more of the top. If you make it steeper, you see more of the bottom and the 2 sides. So however you want to do that, but you get to practice your isometric sketching. That also, you know, you should have your name on it. It's a cover sheet, right? It's a cover assembly. It's the box assembled. And then a detailed drawing of each part. So if you have multiple parts, you're going to have multiple drawings. If you do it all out of one part, then it's just one drawing. When you get it all done, you're so proud of your box that you create a pitch video of your design. I would just use Zoom. It's super easy to do. Screen capture and talk us through your design and why it is so cool. All right, so that gets uploaded, the pitch video and the PDF drawing package, the whole and the box actually assembled gets done on the 3rd, right? And we'll actually have class time on the 3rd if you want to build your box then. The drawings come to me on the 26th. So I need the isometric sketch and the part drawings by the 26th. Then you can create your box and your pitch video by the 3rd. And there will be class time on the 3rd to do it. That's after Thanksgiving. So this is our kind of our last big assignment for this class. So it's 100 points. And nothing can come in late. So I hope everybody sees the video, sees the project, and gets started on it. All right. Good luck.